Good morning. Today is travel day. Yay! We were in Rockport for 10 days and enjoyed every bit of it other than the humidity. I picked up my bananas this morning and they were wet. I'm like, how can it's just the humidity is, I just can't do it. So I am headed north away from the coast. I got into a little thunderstorm earlier, but I knew I was going straight north. I looked at the radar and I thought, well, maybe I can get through it pretty fast, which I did. So now I'm on the other end and just got a little bit of drizzle and rain happening right now, but I'm looking forward to heading north and getting out of this humidity or just lessen it. I think it was 83% this morning. I just can't do it. I just can't. But anyway, we're on the road and I got like a 2-hour drive, something like that. But I may have a stop in between for a little adventure. So we'll see if that happens. What I did not mention earlier, because of all the rain and chaos, just trying to get out of that, get out of Rockport before the storm and get on the road and all that. There's Sammy. This is the day that Leslie heads her direction and I head my direction. I'm headed north and we'll see where I end up. Anyway, I am doing my little side trip adventure right now. I am headed to Lake Corpus Christi State Park. Another one I have not been to, so I get to check it off my list. And hopefully they have a hiking stick medallion, so that is where I'm going to go. Check-in time at, I think the Texas State Parks is noon or 2. I'm not remembering. But anyway, it's 9 o'clock. So I have a little while to kill before I only have like another hour drive. So I thought, well, I'll go here and I'll spend a few hours here. Maybe. We'll see. And see if I like it, I'll stay. If not, then I'll move on. Another state park. Checked off my list. I think I have a spreadsheet of all my state parks that there, however many there are in the state, and then if I've been there in what year. So I think this will make 40 or 41. So I'm excited about that I've been to almost half. I think there's close to 100. All right, I got my hiking stick medallion, Lake Corpus Christi, and the map. And they have a fishing pier, so I'm gonna go down there and check out the fishing pier. And Sammy says, I'm panting really hard because it's so humid, isn't it? Girl, we're not far enough north yet. We're not far enough north yet. My worms are still alive. I gotta kill some time. So there may be some fishing involved. There might be some fishing. Get back to fishing from a dock instead of those big old fishing poles and fishing reels. Yeah, I was a little intimidated by all that. It's like I wouldn't even know how to fish for freshwater. I mean, saltwater. Boat ramp. Possum. Bend camping area. Opossum. Catfish Cove. I think it's down this way. Well, I think the problem with the fishing pier here is there's no water under it. So Yeah, the lake is low. Sammy, it's okay. We're gonna go. We'll go outside. But yeah, fishing pier is closed because there's no water. I guess fish off the bank. But hang on, we're gonna go for a walk. Yep, that's a wasted fishing pier. Like, oh. I could go over there, somewhere down there and fish for a little while. And I might just do that. Well, some fishermen, I've thrown this in twice and gotten a bite immediately, and I'm just jacking around doing other stuff, and I look, my bobber's gone. And so, anyway, I'm gonna do some fishing because obviously they're biting. So I'm gonna check my hook again and see if I still have a worm on there, because my bobber's been down twice, like gone, and I missed it. Dang it. Gotta put my phone down. Well, he's dirty, but got me a little bass. He's not big enough though. He's got to go back in. There you go, little guy. There's some bass in here. I saw on the map there's white bass and striped. I hadn't caught a bass in years now, so that felt good. Maybe I can get a bigger one. Here's your one. A little bitty baby. Little bitty catfish. You need to go grow up. Okay, I'm back on the road. I caught 3 fish, just that one bass and 2 of those little bitty catfish. And then they just kind of quit biting, and it started getting hot. And it's humid, so yeah, I can't sit there in the sun that long too. Just it beating down on me. It got hot. So back on the road again, back on the road again. I am back in turkey country. Yeah, I am back at Choke Canyon State Park here in Texas. And this is where we were, where all the turkeys were. So all the wildlife, I just saw a turkey. So I was like, oh yeah, that's what reminded me of it. So I'm sure we'll see more. This is the Green Jay Pass. That's not a green jay, that's Bonnie Bunny. There's Bonnie Bunny. What you eating, Bonnie? Are you eating something?